Hello, my name is James Burns, and I would like to welcome you to Endoscopy Support Services in booth 1731 at the Western Veterinary Conference in wonderful Las Vegas, Nevada. We're at the 2025 Western Veterinary Conference. In our booth, we're featuring our line of endoscopy equipment that is highly advanced USB endoscopes that connect directly into our wonderful machine that I'm going to go over with you in a minute. And it allows you to be able to record, document all your procedures, and then share them with peers. Over here on this side of the booth, we have the VHP 1315 all-in-one endoscopy platform. This system is designed to do all your different endoscopy procedures. Here we have it set up for small animal endoscopy. You can see here the live video image coming into the system. We have some foreign bodies set up so people can come by the booth and interact with our equipment. On the other side of our display, we're featuring our surgical minimally invasive products that also tie in with our all-in-one system. We have our SurgAssist, which is a laparoscopic insufflator with built-in cautery. Over here, we're demonstrating our arthroscopic setup, which is our Spitz arthroscopy equipment. Here, we're featuring it with our USB camera with a laptop system. And we're also demoing the new 1 meter long veterinary specific bronchoscope system with the high definition image. This lower cost system allows veterinarians to get into the procedures for a much lower cost of entry and offer much better medicine. We invite you to stop by our booth at 1731 at the Western Veterinary Conference, where you can experience everything you need to excel in endoscopy at Endoscopy Support Services. Thank you.